Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, and now click install. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And your Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.